In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar tasks with others using an easy method. If you're looking for a streamlined way to share your task list with colleagues, friends, or family, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to tasksboard.com. Once there, sign in using your Google account. Tasksboard is a fantastic tool that allows you to sync your Google Calendar tasks seamlessly, giving you a broader view and more functionality. By signing in, you allow Tasksboard to access your existing tasks and synchronize them for a more integrated approach. Next, with your tasks now synced, go back to Google Calendar. You'll find this by navigating to calendar.google.com. Here, take a look at the top left corner of your screen and click on Create. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here you'll want to select Task. This action will open a window where you can start adding your task details. In the task window, give your task a descriptive title so anyone reading it will understand its purpose. Then fill in the date and time so you and your collaborators know exactly when this task needs to be completed. Don't forget to add a detailed description if necessary. This description could include subtasks, resources needed, or any other pertinent information that you want to keep track of. Once everything's filled out, click on Save. Now this task will be part of your Google Calendar as well as appear on Tasksboard. After saving your task, head back over to your Tasksboard again, and you should see the newly created task reflecting there. Now it's time to share this task with others. To do this, look for the three dots menu associated with your task list. This menu is usually found to the side of your list heading. Click on it and you'll see several options in a drop-down. Choose the Share List option. Once you've selected Share List, Tasksboard will generate a unique sharing link just for your task list. This link is what you'll use to share the list with others. Simply copy this link and send it to your collaborators. You can do this via email, instant message, chat, or any method you prefer. Just ensure that it reaches the people you want to collaborate with, and once they receive the link, they'll have access to your shared task list. And there you have it, an easy method to share your Google Calendar tasks with anyone you choose. By using Tasksboard, you not only have a better view of your tasks, but also a convenient way to collaborate with others. Thanks for watching, and happy task sharing.